Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we will see how to activate and remove Gemini on any Android smartphone. To do that, just open Google. Now from here, tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now from here, tap on Google Assistant. Now scroll down and tap on Digital Assistant. Now from here, you can disable Gemini and use Google Assistant by tapping on Google Assistant. Now tap on Switch. Now as you can see, we have disabled Gemini and activated Google Assistant. Now if you want to disable Gemini, just tap on Gemini, tap on Switch. From here, tap on Switch. Now tap on More and tap on Use Gemini. From here, tap on the back button. Now scroll down and tap on You can turn off your digital assistant. From here, tap on Turn Off. Now as you can see, this is how you can turn off Google Gemini. Now if you want to turn it back on, just tap on Turn On. And this is how you can activate and remove Google Gemini on any Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.